Hello viewers, welcome back to Marvelous Motivations, your very own Mr. Marvelous. We are continuing with our balance series. So this month of June, we'll be working on our balance. Today, your movement will be a side star plank. So, side star plank, we're gonna start with the beginners. If you're a beginner, I'm gonna go on my elbows. Keep my bottom leg bent, my leg extended. My hand's gonna come up, core is tight, and I'm gonna bring it up and you hold for a few seconds. Really helps your balance, your core, your glutes, everything is working. Boom. For the advance, then come higher, that bottom leg fully extended. Ta-da! Make sure you get a pivot so you get a good balance. Core is tight as it goes up, and you're gonna raise that leg as far as you can based on your flexibility. So there you have it, two variations, one for beginners, one for advanced. You can hold each side for roughly an average of 30 seconds. Again, you're trying to get that strength, that balance. So our side star plank balance drill for this week. See you next week for another tip. And as always, remember, be marvelous.